Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2026 and you want to know exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel to make money online, you're in the right place. You don't want to show your face on camera, you don't want to record your voice, and you still want to build a profitable YouTube channel that generates real income from home. Today, I'm going to show you precisely how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 and make money online using a complete business-in-a-box system that gives you everything you need, including over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. This system pays instant $200 commissions per sale, so you can monetize your new faceless channel fast. My name is Alex, and in this in-depth video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how complete beginners are starting successful faceless YouTube channels in 2026 and earning money online with the daily income method. Stick with me until the very end because I'm giving you the direct link in the description and pinned comment so you can get instant access and start your own faceless YouTube channel today. If you're ready to learn how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 and actually make money online, this is the complete guide you've been looking for. Let's dive deep into this. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 is one of the smartest moves you can make. YouTube still rewards consistent short-form and long-form content, and faceless channels are exploding because people love the content without needing to see the creator. The problem most beginners face is they don't know what to post, how to create videos without showing their face, or how to turn those views into actual income. They waste months trying to figure everything out on their own and never see real money. That's exactly why the daily income method is perfect if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel and make money online in 2026. This is a complete business-in-a-box affiliate marketing system created by Mac Mills that gives you everything, especially the massive faceless content library you need to launch your channel fast. Every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you get paid $200 instantly. You can promote the same system inside your faceless videos and earn high commissions while growing your channel. This system is built for faceless YouTube success. You never have to appear on camera. You never have to record your own voice. Everything can be done with done-for-you faceless reels, AI tools, and simple editing. Let me give you a complete, detailed breakdown of everything you get inside the daily income method and how it helps you start a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 to make money online. First, you get the full daily income method training program, a clear A to Z step-by-step blueprint that shows you exactly how to build and monetize a faceless YouTube channel. Mac walks you through setting up your channel, choosing profitable niches, using AI tools, posting strategies, and turning views into $200 commissions. The training is beginner-friendly and perfect for anyone starting their first faceless YouTube channel. Inside the dashboard, you'll see real member results, including earning snapshots, showing over $532 in a single view. This proves the system works for faceless creators. The absolute game changer for starting a faceless YouTube channel is the massive 100,000 faceless reels library. You get instant access to over 100,000 professionally made, ready-to-post faceless short videos. These reels are high quality, high converting, and specifically designed to promote the daily income method. You can download them instantly and upload straight to your new YouTube channel as shorts, or even turn them into longer videos. No filming yourself, no recording voiceovers, no expensive equipment. This library alone lets you launch your faceless YouTube channel with hundreds of videos on day one. Many beginners are posting 5 to 10 faceless reels per day on their new channels and growing fast while earning commissions. In 2026, YouTube Shorts are still one of the fastest ways to grow a faceless channel and make money online. You also get the viral reel and hook script generator, an AI-powered tool built right into the dashboard. You give it a few simple inputs, and it creates original viral hooks, full reel scripts, and captions in seconds. This means you can generate unlimited fresh, faceless content for your YouTube channel without any writing or creative skills. Zero duplicates, all original. Perfect for keeping your faceless channel growing strong. Another powerful tool is the AI mastery training. Clone yourself using AI. This lets you generate photorealistic professional AI images of yourself or any avatar you want. Use these images for your channel banner, thumbnails, or end screens, all without ever showing your real face. The images look 100% real and professional. You also receive the secret black book of email swipes with 222 proven email templates that get opened and convert. Use them to build an email list from your Faceless YouTube channel and continue earning even after viewers leave YouTube. Plus, the Facebook Profile Growth Guide gives you Mac's exact playbook to grow from 0 to over 41,000 followers. You can use this to drive even more traffic back to your Faceless YouTube channel. Everything lives inside one clean, professional dashboard at dailyincomemethod.app. You get your personal affiliate links, multiple high-converting landing pages, lead capture tools, video follow-ups, real-time commissions tracking, and a leaderboard. It is truly a complete business in a box that makes starting a Faceless YouTube channel incredibly easy. Here's the exact step-by-step process for how to start a Faceless YouTube channel in 2026 and make money online with this system. Step 1. Click the link in the description and pin comment right now. This takes you straight to the Daily Income Method checkout page. Complete the one-time investment and you get immediate lifetime access to everything you need. Step 2. Log into your dashboard and watch the welcome video, plus complete the quick system setup. This takes 15 to 30 minutes. Create your new Faceless YouTube channel if you don't have one yet, grab your affiliate links, and choose your landing pages. Step 3. Start building your channel fast. Download your first 50 to 100 Faceless Reels from the massive library. Use the viral hook script generator to create custom intros or additional content. Create eye-catching thumbnails with your AI-generated images. Then upload and post 3 to 5 faceless videos or shorts every single day. Title them using the keywords you're targeting, add your affiliate link in the description and pin comment, and watch your channel grow. Step 4. Set up automated email follow-ups using the proven swipes and use the video follow-up tools. When viewers click your affiliate link and buy, you get paid $200 instantly. Many Faceless channel owners are earning 1 to 3 sales per day once they reach consistency. That's $200 to $600 daily while your channel keeps growing. This entire process is perfect for a Faceless YouTube channel because everything is already done for you. The AI handles creativity. The Reel library handles content. You focus on uploading consistently and collecting commissions. Real beginners are already succeeding with Faceless YouTube channels using this system in 2026. The member area shows live commissions and a leaderboard with people who started Faceless channels and are now earning daily. Mac Mills has paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars in commissions because the system delivers real value. Let me address the most common questions people have about starting a Faceless YouTube channel in 2026. First, is it still possible to grow a Faceless channel? Yes. In 2026, YouTube is rewarding high-quality, consistent Faceless content more than ever, especially in the make money online niche. Second, what if I don't know what content to post? You don't have to know. The 100,000 Faceless Reels library and AI hook generator give you unlimited, ready-to-post content. Third, do I need expensive equipment or editing skills? No. Download the Reels, add your affiliate link in the description, and upload. It's that simple. Fourth, how do I actually make money? You promote the daily income method inside your Faceless videos. Every sale through your link pays you $200 instantly. Fifth, are there monthly fees? No. One-time payment gives you lifetime access to the entire system, including the Faceless Reel library and all AI tools. This combination of done-for-you faceless content, AI tools, and high commissions makes the daily income method the easiest way to start a Faceless YouTube channel and make money online in 2026. If you've watched this far, you're clearly serious about starting your own Faceless YouTube channel. You don't want to keep watching from the sidelines. You want to take action and build something that generates income. So here's exactly what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description and pinned comment. Go to the Daily Income Method sales page, review everything, and get instant access today. Once you're inside, watch the welcome video, complete the quick setup, download your first batch of Faceless Reels, create your channel if needed, and start uploading today. Your Faceless YouTube channel could start growing and earning $200 commissions much faster than you expect. I'm here to support you. Drop any questions in the comments after you join, and I'll help point you to the right training. If this video gave you a clear roadmap for how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 and make money online, please like it. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you get more faceless YouTube strategies and updates. Thank you so much for watching this complete guide. I truly believe the daily income method is one of the best opportunities right now for anyone who wants to start a faceless YouTube channel and make money online in 2026. I can't wait to see you inside the member area, building your successful faceless channel and celebrating your first commissions. Go click that link right now, get full access, and start your faceless YouTube journey today. I'll see you on the inside. Take action, stay consistent with uploading, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.